Hi, I'm Sheri Burke, the CEO and founder of International Patient Facilitators. I've been working with patients in Mexico since 2008. So let's talk a little bit about the pricing in Mexico and where it is today, and why is it that medical travel to Mexico keeps rising, the affordability of medical travel to Mexico. Let's just take the gastric sleeve surgery or bariatric surgery as a topic, right? So we have a point of reference, what these procedures cost today in Mexico. Gastric sleeve is the number one procedure still being performed in Mexico with bariatric surgery, and the cost of a bariatric sleeve is $4,500. The cost of a mini gastric bypass, $6,500, and the gold standard of bariatric surgery is full gastric bypass, $6,900 US. On top of these procedures, we also perform revision surgeries, which is converting, for example, a gastric sleeve to a mini gastric bypass or full gastric bypass procedure, and those prices will be the same price as the procedure plus $800 on top of that. So the revision from, for example, gastric sleeve to mini gastric bypass will be $6,500 plus $800 for the revision fee, a total of $7,300. What does that include? So having gastric surgery in Mexico includes your ground transportation, it includes all of your labs that come prior to surgery, it includes your EKG, your chest x-ray, 2 nights in the hospital, 1 night in a 5-star hotel, your post-operative testing, which is the fluoroscope procedure that's performed after bariatric surgery after 48 hours. It includes your nutritionist, me. I work together with you prior to surgery, getting you ready for gastric surgery, and also post-surgery for the first year, making sure that you understand really well how to use the new tool that you've been given. So that's the breakdown of the costs. Anything extra, for example, your flights to San Diego, we're located 20 minutes from the San Diego airport in Tijuana. You also have, the flights are approximately $300 to $800 depends where you're flying in the US. Again, the ground transportation is included, so airport, hospital, hotel, back to the airport. Also included with that, you have an option of Cancun. We also operate in Cancun. We operate there every second Friday. In Cancun, the gastric procedures are $1,000 more expensive. So instead of a gastric sleeve being $4,500, you're looking at paying $5,500. It's more expensive because it's a tourist destination, but it's also a very beautiful destination. If you have more questions about the different prices of different procedures in Mexico, reach out to me. You can click on the link right here. You can also pick up the phone and give me a call. I'm here to answer all of your questions.